in this video, I'm going to tell you a couple of tools which is available in this Black Friday sale. Coming on to our list, number one is SiteGround. SiteGround is the fantastic tool for hosting WordPress website, cPanel and all. It is very best in terms of pricing, in terms of services they provide. Now, a couple of points. SiteGround is not supported in most of the countries. So, like I'm in India, so it does not work up here. So, if you want to try an alternative of SiteGround, there's Hostinger, which is again they are having like Black Friday sale on them, and this is like another best place if you want to go for the WordPress hosting and all. Apart from this, we are also going to have something called as Crocobot. Now this is like an Elementor. If you heard about Elementor, is actually a plugin where you can actually design your entire website. So just like that, it's a really good tool, and I really love to use this tool also. They are also having their Black Friday sale. You can go to their website and check it out. Elementor itself is also having their Black Friday sale. They are giving like 30% off to their subscription and all. It really helps for making amazing website like this. If you see on their screen right now, we are also having something called as code snippet. Now if you want to use like PHP, HTML, JavaScript or CSS code, it's really good. You can go to codesnippet.pro, and there are a couple of reference video also which will really help you in order to understand it and do it more better. Moving on, we are also having something called as RankMath, which will help you in order to do the search engine and keyword searching and SEOs and site mapping, all these things. They are also having their Black Friday sale. So I highly recommend to go up here on this website and check the offers out. You will really like the offers, and it's really good. Apart from this, if you also want to explore more, I have added this link in the description. Please have a look to these links. You will be able to find a lot of things like WP forms, which is used to collect like contact information, any newsletter forms you want to give. These also are going to have a good amount of Black Friday subscription which is happening. So please do check this link out. It offers a lot of I found this link. It has a lot of new and good tools which you can actually make the use of. Apart from this, I will also love to tell you about my website. If you go to Consult with Sif, you can also go and book, the prices are right now also on sale. So you can book a consultation with me, or if you want to talk, you can also schedule a call from here. And in the shops, I have mentioned most of the products that you can, use for your own application. And trust me, guys, don't miss this Black Friday sale. If you're trying to start something or, do something right now, it's the very good time when you will get the pricing and the sales in more effective way. So this was all about it. I hope you liked the video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos coming up.